Hey guys, Andrew here, it's Blog2, and I'm answering Neramon's 2013 YouTube survey. Note before we start, I now have music in the background, so that's nice. On to the questions.
What's your biggest fear?
In his video, Neramon talked about your surface fear and your deep down fear. My surface fear is lifts or elevators, depending on where you live. The reason why I'm afraid of lifts is because I'm afraid I'm going to get stuck in one and I'm not going to be able to get out. My deep down fear is just losing family. There have been some times when a family member has had to drive somewhere at night and I've wanted to go along just because I'm afraid of what's going to happen. I'm afraid that they're going to get into a car accident or something. And yes, I know that would put me in a car accident, but I would at least be with my family member when they're in a car accident, rather than being at home and not knowing what's happened. On to the next question.
Did you find out Santa wasn't real?
What? You mean to say that Santa is not real? Shame on you, Alex. Shame on you.
What's the best idea you've ever had?
The best idea I have ever had would probably be joining YouTube. Oh wait, that was a terrible idea. Just joking. No, I actually do really enjoy YouTube. I joined YouTube back in 2009, registering youtube.com/TheAndrewHead, which was nice, and then I developed that channel. Now I've started this one, hopefully. More good times ahead, hopefully.
Most embarrassing thing your parents have ever done?
The most embarrassing thing my parents have ever done. Quite fortunately for me, my parents haven't done anything embarrassing in relation to me. My parents are nice. However, there have been a few times where I've misbehaved and my mum has threatened to pick me up from school in a dressing gown, purple slippers, hair curlers, and smoking a cigarette. Even though my mum doesn't smoke, she's just gonna buy one and put it in her mouth. And she says she's gonna get her friend to do the same. Mum, if you ever do that, I will hate you.
If you were only allowed to pick one career for the rest of your life, what would it be?
If I was only allowed to pick one career for the rest of my life, it'd probably be something to do with electronics, being, you know, sort of electrician or electrical engineer or something like that. I just have a fascination with electronics, which is partially spurred on by amateur radio. Actually, hang on a sec. This is my radio. Well, this is one of them. I have a few. This is my little handheld, and this is one of the things I enjoy doing. Yeah. And number 6. Who would you like to answer the survey next? I have 2 people I want to answer the survey. The first one is Unicycle Blog. He answered Neramon's survey last year. I'd like him to answer this one because I enjoy his videos. The second one is my good friend Pixel Weldian, who doesn't like his name being said on camera, so I won't say it. He generally makes gaming videos, although I'd just like to see him step out of his box and make a video like this. That is the end of the survey. Goodbye.